suppose we know that we have our incremental and decremental things going on, and so many of us haven't understood how it is happening. So with assignment operator, with this operator, we have command in Java to assign something, right? So with the assignment operator, we commanded JVM to assign the value 5 inside the variable a. But what happens if I write plus plus? This is another operator, just the same like equal sign. It's not different. It is important, like equal is important. It is a command, it is another command, and those the both of the thing is two different thing, not same thing. So let me show you clearly. So what is happening here? So suppose at first I am writing int I equal to 5. As I say, what he does, watching int, he's creating a box as usual, giving I, he's giving the variable name, then he sees assignment operator. That means we are telling him to assign something in the box. So what I assign, then he see the 5. So when he see 5, he's assigning 5. That's cool right now. Now with the assignment operator, what it does actually? What is the meaning of this or this? Any assignment operator? There is a meaning, or there is a command. That the real command for equal is assign something inside the variable. Sorry for my bad handwriting. So if you don't understand, please ask me. So okay. So now when is it incremental operator plus plus? What it does? What is the command for this? This is the command for equal sign. We say equal sign is called assignment operator. So what is the command for this one? So the command for this one is increase. Okay. The command for this one is increase the value of attached variable by 1. So what do I mean by attached operator? Attached variable. Attached variable means variable can be attached. Suppose this I variable can be attached here, no problem. It will increase the value by 1. Variable can be attached here, increase the value by 1. In either way, it is doing the same thing. Suppose it is at last, we will do post increment. I mean the incremental sign is as a pre-increment. It is before the variable name, and if I write it later after the variable name, then it will be our post increment. We are doing the pre-post. You know that already, I guess. So okay, now let's go to real life. How it is happening? As so many of you have told me personally that you don't understand this concept. So int I equal to 5, as I told it. So as I've told it that I, after writing int, again I'm showing it. I'm showing it again and again because so that it seals up in your mind. So he's creating a box, then watching I, he's naming it I, watching assignment operator. He's doing nothing, but he understands that we have to assign something. Then when we write 5, he puts the value 5. That's fine till now. Suppose there is one thing, another box I want to create, that is int j equal to plus I. After that, what happens? So now tell me, if it is a command and it is a command as well, how many command we are giving here in this single line? How many hardcore command we are giving? We are giving 2 command actually. So here we are giving 1 command, he assigned. Here we are giving 2 command. So after watching this int, what he will do? Again, he will create another box. As we have written data type, every time he sees he is watching data type, he is creating a box. So after that, he is watching j. Fine till now, he is naming the value. He is naming the box as j. Now assignment operator is watching. Then we have to assign something inside the box. Now what is happening? Now he see that we are giving him command that plus plus. So as I told before, equal, plus plus, minus minus, two different things. Plus plus means increase the value of attached variable by 1. So what is attached variable here with him? Attached variable is I. These two are different part though, different thing though. But at first we are giving him to command that please increase the value of attached variable by 1. After watching this command, he will directly go to the attached variable box. Though it is not executed perfectly till now. So he will just see that what is attached variable here, I. Then directly he goes to the I box and he will increase the value of 5 by 1. So new value will be 6. Then he directly sees when after finishing up this task, the new value of I will be 6. Then he goes forward. Then he sees that okay, assign the total thing here, I. So after watching assignment operator, when he sees assignment operator, if he see plus plus, he cannot put plus plus here because it is another operator. He have to find a variable or he have to find a value. So now when he see I, now he has got a value. He satisfied. So he is saying that okay, now I've got a value, I don't have to worry about it. So now he is going to put the value here. So what is the recent value? Now what is the value of I? At first we have increased, we have made it 6. So recent new value of I is 6. So j will be 6. Let's try it out practically. So this is the concept how our increment is working. So okay, I'm making you understand in the same uh, class. Okay, same. Yeah. Yes. Can you hear me properly?
Yes,
Anyone?
we can hear you. Yeah,
Thank you.
you're welcome.
Sorry for not recording before. So okay. So now, so here, if I want to see that system of println I, so what will be the value here? So here, the value will be just 5, as you said before, 5. Now, can anybody tell me, after incrementing from this box, what will be the value of I after this line, after this command? What is the update value of I?
Oh, it will be 6.
Very good. So it is the new value will be 6. And what will be the value of j right now? It will be 6
It will
as
be
well.
6. It will be assigned to J. To J.
Yeah, very good. So if I now want to print the value of I, it is 6. And if I want to print the value of j right now, it is 6 again. See. So that's how pre-increment works. And decrement is also working in the same way. So if you want to think about decrement, doing the same thing, suppose int I equal to 5 and intj equal to minus minus 5. Same thing, making a box, putting the value 5, it is I, good till now. And after watching int is making another box j. Assignment operator, he want to assign something, he will search for a variable, but with the first command he haven't got any variable or value. So he's saying that okay, sorry, this will be I. So he's saying okay, I haven't got any variable value, but watching minus minus, he will directly go to attached variables value, attached variables box. So he will go here to the I box and he will decrease minus minus, he will decrease by 1. So new value of I will be 4. So when it is 4 right now, then updated value is 4. And if I then he's watching that I have told him to assign the value I here to the J box. So he has got the variable I, and he has got to actually assign something. He can assign now. He has got a variable now. So the new updated value of I is 4. He's assigning 4. So same thing is going to happen here if I write minus minus here. So suppose I want to print the value of I and j together. So let's see. We can see now at present i's value will be 4, j's value should be 4. It is 4 and 4. So now let me make you understand the post increment. What is happening here? Still we are giving two commands, but in a different way. As we know, JVM reads from left to right, like left to right, like a train. So it is going to read. At first, he is watching. He is performing the task in our usual way, making a box, reading the value I. Okay, make it 5 as how it is. So it is 5. It's printing. Okay, fine. Now when he's going left to right, again he's watching int at first. He's making int type box. He's watching j. He's naming the variable name j. Now he's watching assign. Now he wants to assign something. So as I have told before, after this assignment operator, he will search for a value, either a value or a variable. If he finds it, he's fine. If he doesn't find it, it's okay. You don't have to worry about it. So see, now when you see that, okay, I have got something, I've got a variable value here, I, and i's value is 5. Directly he is printing 5 here, and then he see that, okay, then after that actually when he's getting his value, he doesn't execute, he's executing, he's making the value 6, he's increasing the value by 1. But when we will tell him to print it, as he has got the variable value before incrementing, he is making the value of j5. Then he is increasing the value by 1 of I. So guys, here is the thing. So let me show you. If I write I plus plus right now, can you see that it is increasing I, but it is putting the value of j5? Why is that? Because at first he is assigning the value into the box. This I, he has got the variable, he's assigning it in the box. Then he is seeing that, okay, there is a plus plus, then he's increasing the value by 1 and making the value of I 6. Then if you want to print so j and c I, then what will be the answer? I will be new updated value of I is 6 and updated value of j is 5. Have you understood this concept, guys? Anyone is having any problem? If you want, you can tell me. And I guess after when I've shown you guys how to change the value, you can change any kinds of value like this. With this command, I've shown you that how you change the value of anything. So we need it to change. We need to change value, like I mean, without writing data type. If we write the variable directly, directly we can change the value anytime whenever we want. So okay, our next concept is method overloading. We'll directly go to different concepts. So have you understood the basics of how increment and decrement is working right now,
Shams, can you explain the
guys?
post increment one more time?
Oh, sure. Okay. As I told already that JVM is reading from left to right. So suppose I have given here int I equal to 5 at my first command. I've written int j equal to 5. Sorry, int j equal to I plus plus. See here, compiler is reading everything together. When you press your run button, execution button, what is happening? JVM is going to read it. Your execution will run. So how JVM reads? JVM will at first read int. He will read int, and after that he is not reading anything. Please don't think he's reading this thing together. No, he have just seen int and he has written int. I have written int here. Immediately he's creating a box of integer data type. Okay, just hold on a minute. Okay, he's directly creating a box which is integer data type. That means this box will allow to put only integer values. Then he's watching that. He's giving a default value here, guys. When he's making a box, he's giving a default value that is 0. When he's watching this I, then he's understanding that, okay, so I have to name it I. So he named it I. Then when you see that assignment operator is here, I've given this command. That means with this command, with this assignment operator, we command to Java that please assign the new value here in the box. So then we have told him that, okay, assign 5. So now he is assigning 5. He is removing the 0 as we cannot store multiple values. So then what is happening? The new value of I is 5. Then here the next line comes. JVM seen that statement closed, he comes to the bottom line. Still, okay, still he's watching int at first. He's making another box. Whenever he sees data type, no matter it is class type, no matter it is class constructor, whatever you made, no matter you make object, whenever he see any data type, class types are non-primitive. Primitive or non-primitive, that doesn't matter. He creates a box in your Java memory. So this concept works for everything you will to cover in Java. So he makes a box which is int data type. Then he see that, okay, j, he sees that j, he's putting the variable name j. Fine till now. Default value is 0. Still it is fine. Default value 0 is there right now. It's not crossed up. Then he see that, okay, we want to assign something into the box. Then he see I, right? So don't think he see this I plus plus together, because plus plus is just another operator, like this one. It is another operator. Minus minus is another operator, not like that. And what this operator means, as I told you, like increase the value of attached variable by 1. Attached, he will increase the value of attached variable. He don't care it is here or here. He don't care about it. He will directly increase it by 1. So for increasing the value of I by 1, where do you have to go? After watching this thing, he have to go to the I box, but he haven't seen yet. Suppose here in this section, he see integer, then he have seen j, he have seen assignment operator, then he have seen I. So after giving assignment operator, I am commanding him to put the value of I to the j. So can you please tell me Have we increased till now the value of I?
No.
Here, no, he haven't assigned. He haven't increased, but J has got something to assign here, right? So he can assign now. He can execute this command. So he is assigning 5 here directly, value of I. So value of I is 5. He's assigning 5 here. Then when he goes further, he is fulfilling this command, after executing this command, he is starting to watch next step where it is written plus plus. When you see plus plus, you go back to the what does plus plus means? Increase the value of attached variable by I. Then immediately he's searching what is my attached variable now. Attached variable is I. Then I have to go to I. So he goes to I. And he said that okay, I have to increase it by 1. So he's increasing it by 1. So the new value is 6. Now if I want to print so I, after this line, after executing this command, if I want to know the value of I, what will be the value? The new value will be
6.
6. Perfect. The new value will be 6. And what will be the value of J right now? Can you please tell me from this present condition? What is the value of J after this command?
5.
Perfect. It's 5. So that is happening here. So it is 6, I is 6, J is 5. That's how pre-increment and post-increment works in any kinds of scenario. So that was all about increment and decrement part. Now we will go for method overloading. So let me ask you, do you have any other confusions about anything like for looping or for anything else?